Facebook is set for some spring cleaning. Heartbleed is as bad as it sounds. Developers are creating a controller that can read your mind. Emojis are the new love language for foodies, and the Samsung Galaxy S5 hits stores today. I'm Natalia Jones. Take a break from your Friday grind as I give you the top 5 industry news stories for the week with the Petra 5 and 5. Facebook is doing some spring cleaning to news feeds. In a blog posted by the social media, a series of newsfeed improvements were announced. The goal, to reduce stories that people have been complaining about are spammy and do not want to see. Most of these stories are published by Facebook pages in what Facebook calls like baiting. According to the blog, like baiting is when a post explicitly asks newsfeed readers to like, comment, or share a post in order to get additional distribution beyond what the post would normally receive. Facebook engineer and product manager both assured this update will not affect pages that are trying to spark genuine discussions and interactions among fans. The spring cleaning effort will also target overshared content like photos or videos that are shared over and over and over again. It will also clean up spammy links and news feeds, because ain't nobody got time for that, you guys. As long as you aren't spamming, these changes won't affect your personal Facebook profile or pages. Yahoo users got a serious case of Heartbleed this week thanks to a software flaw that is used to secure web communications like passwords and other highly sensitive data. Apparently, hundreds of Yahoo passwords were exposed. Ouch. Heartbleed lets attackers gain access to passwords, then fool those users into using bogus versions of websites. Even worse, Heartbleed can reveal the contents of a server's memory, which can reveal private data like usernames, passwords, and even credit card numbers. Sites across the web are currently going into patch mode to stop Heartbleed and save users' private information. CNET has compiled a list of the top 100 sites on the web and their Heartbleed patch status. Check it out for yourself, and it might be a good idea to change all of your current passwords. What has your favorite video game done for you lately? You've played it so often, and now it's just familiar. Just doesn't have that same attraction anymore. Stanford University engineers are developing a modified Xbox controller to help rekindle that spark. Their solution, a controller that includes a 3D printed module, which contains sensors to measure a user's heart rate, blood flow, breathing, and other bodily functions to see how engaged a user is with a game. The goal is to create a controller that would send feedback to a game. When a user starts to get bored, that game would then adjust itself to rekindle that once burning flame. Also, if a game is too difficult for a user, it could dumb itself down. The perfect mate. Doctoral candidate Corey McCall is the project leader for this controller, who said the primary mission is to make games more engaging for bored players and less stimulating for those who are too invested in on-screen action. That's kind of bossy. I like it. But how will this affect users' real-life relationships? I just wish you could read my mind like my controller. Pizza and emojis. That's the way to my heart. Yelp gets it. Who has time to type when you're hunting down where to eat? Yelp's newest mobile app feature just made it entirely too easy to search for food, which is great for those days when you're just too famished to really move at all. Sunday fun days, anyone? Don't even bother typing out ice cream, donuts, pizza. Just select the emoji and boom, Yelp is at your service. Now, if only the Yelp app could include Harry Potter spells. ASIO pizza is far more fun than an emoji, just saying. But the emoji collab doesn't just work with food. Users can also select nail emojis for a nail salon or mail emojis for post offices and more. And one of my favorite emojis? Yeah, she'll get you to wedding planners, men's clothing stores, and The Gap. Those are very mixed signals. Test your emoji communication skills with the new app to see what's near you. You might be surprised. Samsung's Galaxy S5 hits shelves around the world today. Are you and your sales team ready? Whether or not your business sells the actual device, the Galaxy S5 can be a gateway purchase for accessories like cases, athletic accessories like armbands, backup batteries, and more. Luckily, we at Petra are pretty smart and have already put together a quick rundown on the new device and great accessory and selling tips. Check it out in the Petra blog at www.petra.com/news/galaxy_s_5. I'm Natalia Jones. Thanks for tuning in. That's all the time I've got for this week's 5 in 5. Be sure to check back in with Petra Channels on Monday for the Petra Pulse, where I'll give you a sneak peek at what's new to the Petra site. Don't forget to follow our social media sites and send me your thoughts to feedback@petra.com.